Let's start. Last time we have covered this topic, right? That is the interactive fill tool, right? These are the tools. Understood? And today we are going to learn how can we use the different filter options. See here we have the 3D effects option. Okay. So we have to work here with this particular effect. Firstly, just open any image from this section. Press Ctrl+I and choose any image to place there for the effect, right? Just double click here and choose the any picture from this section. That is my nature image here, and choose this file. Like this and click on open. And just if you want to just draw this section, just draw it. Otherwise, you just click here and you will get the image like that. So this is the image. And after taking this image, you want to just give some effect with that. So firstly, just move on where here is the option that is bitmap. Firstly, we have to convert this image into bitmap. Just click on convert to bitmap. It will help us to implement the bitmap property on this image, right? Just firstly, just click on convert to bitmap and just click on OK again. And after that, we can do all the bitmap effect here. So here we go with the 3D effect. First one, here we have the page curl option, right? So how can we use this page curl property? We can use this page property by using, just click on this page curl. And here we have the 4 directions. That is the left top, right top, and bottom right and bottom left. So you can take any, or you can choose any direction from the particular curl property. Just select this and click on preview. Just see there. Here we get a folding like structure at this corner, right? And if you don't like this corner, just click on here. Here the next option, just click on this. You will get the another part like this property. Just click on this and just take the preview. It's just like that. Okay. And here we have the 2 options by which we can just adjust the width and height of this property. That is the page curl, right? Just increase the size from here. Just increase the width and click on preview. You will get the more width from this section. Just see here. You will get more width. And if you want to just increase the height, it will increase the height property by which you just adjust this property. Just click on this and take the preview from here. Clear? You will get this effect. But after we want to just choose another property. Here's that is the opaque. Just click on opaque. Just see here the transparent look like structure. The below this particular fold, you will get the image look in this particular section. Why? Because it is transparent. But we just select the opaque and just click on preview. We can't take a look behind this. Just see there. Okay, just become a silver foil like structure, and we can't able to do or take a view behind this, right? And when you just move on transparent, we will get the preview behind this curl. Understood? Next one, if you want to just change the color of that, here we have the different colors. Just click on this and choose any color for that property. Just click on yellow color and click on preview. You will get the yellow color like this, right? So these are the different properties or different colors by which we can just make more attractive, more effective for the presentation, for the publication, or for the printing, right? Understood? So here we have these property, and if you don't want this, just remove this and click on opaque. You will get the opaque property. So by this option, we can handle this particular section from here. Understood? And just see there, if we want to just two side fold from this section, so we have to apply this property 2 times. Otherwise, we can't do this process 2 times. Just see there, we have to just same property on the another side. Just select this image and again click on here, and we choose what? Again, click on page curl property and choose that direction at the top and click on preview. You will get the direction at the top right. Just see there. Clear? And click on OK. So we will get these types of folding and folding by using this, and we can also set the color either transparent or non-transparent according to your requirements, right? Understood? Just press Ctrl+Z out from the previous steps like that, and just do with the next property. Just go with the next property, the serial. Here we have this particular section. If you want to just zoom this particular section, just move your cursor here and again convert to bitmap pictures. Because we undid all the steps, just click on OK. You will get the same image as you open. Just wait a minute and just take here the bitmap properties and move on here. And here's the option that is the emboss property. Second one is the emboss property. Just click on emboss property and take a preview. Just see here. Here we get the 3D structure like that. That is the preview. That is the nearby ridges coming over the image like that. Just wait a minute. It's working like that. Just see there. Its outline traces like this. If you want to just decrease the label, just click on this and you can increase the label by using this. You can get the perfect look like that. Right? And just click on preview. You will get the preview of this particular property. Just wait a second. Or wait a minute, you will get this property. Right? Just see there. Here we have a ridges appearing in a 3D like structure in this particular image, right? And we can also set the depth for that. Just click on here. You just click on preview. You will get the depth of this 3D look. Just wait a minute. You will get this property like that. Okay. And just click on OK. Just see there. Here we get the image in this particular structure like this, right? So this is the 3D like, or that is the property by which we make our image more attractive or effective by using the emboss property. Okay, the depth will increase, depth will show in this particular image and other part will hide. Okay, it gives the 3D look structure. Understood? Just move on the previous step.
Yes, sir.
Plus Z and move on the previous step. And again, do the process. That is the next one. Again, just click on convert to bitmap and move on the another step. That is the cylindrical effect. Just see there. When we use the cylindrical effect, just see there. If we want to just cylindrical effect, either horizontal or vertical, but when we just choose this horizontal effect, we will get there is some zooming at the center of this position. Just see there. When we increase some part from this section, just see there some parts is zooming from the center of this image. Just wait a minute, you will get this property. Just wait, it's working. You see here, little bit zooming from this section. Is it observable or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and just move the second option, that is a vertical, it will work vertically. That is the vertically means this portion will zoom out from the center position. Just click on preview, you will get the preview like that. Just see at the center of this particular section, you will get this property. It's appearing or not? No, it's under process. So just wait, just see there. Just see there, here some parts are zooming or stretches in vertical like that. Okay, so these are the different effects. If you know for the text, you can easily observe this effect. Okay, so firstly we have to work with the text. First we just cancel it, or just click on cancel and press Ctrl+Z and just type some content here. Just write some content in this section like this. Just type your hello. Increase the size by using Ctrl+6. It will increase the size of the text. Just type your hello. Okay, and so change the color of that. Just select it and click on white color, or just choose any color for that. And increase the size from this section. Increase the size of this particular section and just group it. Holding shift button and select it and just click on this and just right click here and just click on Ctrl+G. It becomes group, right? And after grouping, it will move both simultaneously. We don't need to just move separately. And after doing that, just click on here bitmap and convert to bitmap and click on OK. Both image becomes a single image or just flat image. Just click on here and click on this and click on cylindrical effect and little bit move this particular property and just click on horizontal, click on OK and just take a look. Just see here. It's appearing or not? Just see there. Little bit it stretches
Yes,
from the
sir.
center
It's appearing.
vertically, and just click on this. It will stretches from vertical side of this image. So you can just use the text for the easy observation of this particular property. Otherwise, it will be done. It works according to your requirement on image as well. Okay, but here we choose text for the perfect observation, right? And just take a look, and after that, just go with the next process, next option, right? So we can observe
Yes,
this,
sir.
right? And click on cancel. You will get the previous image and press Ctrl plus Z to move on the previous steps and remove this particular sections. Right, and go with the next property. And here we have the next option, that is, first we just convert the bitmap, click on OK, and move on the bitmap and choose wall effect, that is the 3D rotation. Just click on 3D rotation, you will get this types of box, and take a preview. Just see there, where we just stretch it like this. Just see there, this bluish color area will show the angle of this particular image, right? And click on preview, you will get the angle of this particular section in this picture. Just see there. It's working, so just wait a second. Just see there and click on OK. And just see the angle of this image. Just minimize, just wait a minute. Just minimize this image, and then we get the image. Just see there. We will get the angle of this particular property, right? Just see there. As we selected in this particular section, 3D effect and 3D rotation, like this angle. Just see there. Here we get this angle. You just see there. All the angle will match with that particular process. Okay. So we can change the direction of this image according to our requirement. For example, here we want to just dislike the structure, this type of structure, or this angle. Just click on OK. You will get this types of angle on this particular image as well. Right. So this is the property by
Yes, sir.
which our image in 3D like structure, 3D look like structure. Right, and go with the next property. First, just increase the size and go with the next property. Again, convert to bitmap, click on OK, and move on the next tool. That is 3D effect, and here with the next option, that is a perspective. Perspective also help us to just perspective or share this image. Just click, hold this particular dot and just stretch here. Just see there. It becomes a trapezium like structure. Just click on this and just change the angle as well according to your requirement. And if you want to just shear this,
Yes, sir.
you can just change the angle of that like this, little bit tilt like that, just like a parallelogram structure. Okay, so either you can go with the perspective and just stretch like that and click on OK or preview. It makes the angle according to this particular section. Just click on preview or just click on OK. You will get this property. Just wait a minute. You will get this property. It's a waiting symbol. It is under process. So just we have to wait here. Nothing else. Just see there. And click on OK. You will get this property on this image. Just see there. Okay, you will get the angle as we selected in this particular section, right? So by this option, we can just give the particular angle or particular shape with using this options, right? Next one, that is a pinch or punch. Again, just click on pinch or punch. We can just zoom it particular section from the center when we just like this. It is the punch, like means pixel is extended from the center position and you just extend that and pixel is come engulfing in the center like that. Okay, so here we just want to zoom in, just click on this. If you want to just zoom out, just click on this. You will get a zoom out link, just like zoom in link. Click on preview, you will get the zooming property at the center. Just see them. Is it under process? So we have to just wait. Is it observable? Have you observed or not? The see that.
Yes, it's observable.
Yes. And you just move on this particular. If you want just more extend here, just click on this. You will get more expanded bound like this, and you just contract this particular section, just click on this and click on okay, you will get a contracted image at the center of this particular section. Okay, just see there is some contraction at the center, right? This property help us to make the image in different looks, right? And last option, that is a spherical look. It's simple, like just like a pinch and punch. Here we get the spherical structure like this, as we see here in this particular section, and we can just increase and decrease the property or pixel of that particular section. If you just see there, here we just little bit zoom in a spherical format, and we can just manage the quality and the speed according to your use. Just click on preview, you will get this property. Just wait a minute. It's a very complex process. That's why it's taking some time. Okay. So just take patience for that property.
Yes, sir.
After that, you just get the look. Okay. Don't rush about this property. It is under process. You see there, the waiting cycle is running like that. It's taking too long. If you want to cancel this properties, press escape to come out from this property, right? If you don't want this process, just press escape to come out from this section. So you can go through this option, you will get the look. It's taking some time. Either you can just wait here, you will get these things. You just take the small image size. Okay, it's a very high resolution image, that's why it's taking much time. You just take the small images, you will get the effect more quickly than this, right? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.